Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Josaphat. Josaphat was born in Lithuania. He lived in the 16th and 17th centuries in Eastern Europe. He was a priest. He was also responsible for the reform of monasteries in Eastern Europe. But most especially, he is known for his work to promote Christian unity. This is the work for which he suffered martyrdom. And so rather than go into a lot of details about his life, I think it's more important to remind ourselves that just as Josaphat did, we are called to be people who work for unity, not just among different religions and different denominations, but for unity at all levels. We do this not just for human and social reasons, but we do this because God wants all of us to live as one. Even though we may have many differences and we may have different values and we may have different beliefs, we believe over and above everything else that God wants us, his sons and daughters, his people, to live in unity with one another. And so Josaphat is a reminder of that call to live as best we can as one people and one church. Thank you so much for watching today. Stay safe, stay healthy.